Alright, Oliver, make sure you eat everything. Not like the last time.
Can I have cheese chicks, please?
Him just said cheese chicks. What him know about cheese chicks?
Junior, they bring back some for him, but him eat it off.
Mommy, Daddy kissing.
Yes, Oliver, mommy and daddy kissing. Where's Junior, by the way? Him still downstairs?
Him kinda been, you know.
I think if we do something for him to cheer him up a little bit. What do you think?
That's a good idea.
Anthony, did you talk to Diana and tell her what's going on?
What, about the baby? No, I'm gonna tell her yet.
I wanted to tell her about the pregnancy, but she never want to talk to me.
No more, man. Me tell her, say you're pregnant, alright? Don't too stress about it, okay?
Alright, won't.
Hey, may I head out to the mall, you know? My wife come with me so we can work out father-son time. I'm in the mood, you know. Come no man, Junior. All you do is exercise, go school. That's all you do. You need to do other things. Maybe we can go get something to eat, you know, talk about stuff. You not to be wrong. I just want to spend time with you. Come on, I know you miss Diana, but you have to live your life still. Two are young, you know, we don't know what the future will hold. If nothing different together, we're not going to get together. But right now, you need to focus on yourself. And what you do, you already make your decision. Come on, come have some fun with your old father. I want to you. Life short, you know. I want to spend enough time with you until the baby come. And then, you know, I'm going to be busy. I mean, to pick me at the age of 5, you know that I got kind of hard for me, right? Daddy, you don't seem to understand what I go through. I miss Diana, alright? When I get to see her down tall, only once in a while, but I miss her. You don't know how it feel. I mean, you never there on Activia, and you don't go mad. You end up breed her. I know you breed her a second time. Obviously, the two are only in love. That's how me feel about Diana. I'm in love with her. I want to marry her. I want to have kids with her. That's the future I want with her. Only she. I don't want nobody else but she. Judah, I have to talk to you about that. You know, me and Active have been sitting on and talking about this recently, and you and Diana relationship is kind of weird with everything. What you talk about? I don't think it's appropriate for you and Diana to be together, because me and Octavia are going to plan to get married. You serious right now? Just because you and Octavia didn't know me and Diana have to stop talk? How this is going to make sense, see? If you and Diana get married and have kids, you and her share siblings now. How exactly is that our fault? That you and Tia... You know what? I'm even going to get in an argument with you that you can't tell me what to do. Lower your voice, youth. Have some understanding. You and her have a brother, and you have another sibling. What you gonna tell phone Pitney when them grow up? But Oliver and the other baby. Explain how this dynamic gonna work, Junior. Use your head now. You can find somebody else to deal with. We not find nobody else to deal with. And you know what? You can keep this to yourself, and you and Octavia can go and get married. Because at the end of the day, may I tell you this? Me and Diana are gonna get married, and you just have to go live with the fuckery where you create. Because nobody never tell you forgot all over the world have a bag of pitney with a bag of woman. Alright? I love my brother, but at the end of the day, you and Octavia relationship is dysfunctional. Mine and Diana relationship way better than phone one. Just to make this harder than what it needs to be, Junior. You're young. You don't even know if you and her going to get together. That's why I try to get your mind off of this. No, you just have to be selfish. Because you don't want to look weird to everybody else. But face the fact, Daddy, you have 8 pitney. That alone is a drama with itself. Only 2 of your pitney them have the same mother. Make that make sense to anybody on the outside. Eh? Me and me. The thing is, me and Antonisha are cousin siblings. That alone weird by itself. Come on, Daddy, this done dysfunction already. You can't stop me and Diana from there. Me I make you know from now, it's something where you have to live with. Because me I tell you already, me and Diana are go there. You can't pick and choose who me I go there with. Me a grown man. You and Jackson just disrespectful to me. No matter how much me try with the two of you, You're just disrespectful and make no own choices. Me I just try be fair. That's all me I try to just be fair with you. I'ma come to you and talk to you about this. Come to you and talk about this and look how you are going already. But you be a hypocrite because when we there at Jamaica, you tell me to tell her my mind and tell her how I really feel. No, you tell me say me for left her because you want Octavia if you have look a perfect marriage. Come on no man. We don't talk, you know. I don't do what I have to do. You do what you have to do because I'm in a business. Junior man. Thanks for coming visit me. I've been kinda busy, you know, dealing with stuff here. How's Luke? Is he alright? You know say him remind me so much of your brother. But you know say him still not take my calls to him or talk to me. I guess him not forgive me for me though. But man have them urges. Daddy, I mean, she a look wife. But no bother with it. Me know if it, me know say you sleep with her too. Alright? Pum sweet, right? It is kinda loose still. I mean, it's not the best me ever have. Because you're a young boy, me a old man. Me I gotta be honest with you. Me a man. Your mother did up in her age. Breast not firm again, body not firm again. Me need want to feel something young. But me did love your daddy, that's the thing. Yes, I me know that. But at the end of the day, me a man. Like what me say, me have needs. Let's be for real. If Octavia daughter come talk to you, you have them saying now put one pan her. Your daddy what kind of slug thing that man? You know Diana from she a baby, me practically take care of her. She's like my daughter. What you mean put one pan her? That nasty youth. So you try to say you judge me and you sleep with your brother wife. You hear me the wrong with woman do butters. But nothing. She open up her front and you fuck her. You're not different from me. Go on man. You go like you won't sleep with her daughter. You think me not know you? How much baby mother you have? You have taught me not that. You are chew stone in a glass house, boy. Yeah, me a old drunko, but me not still like you. You mad? You really think someone could have sleep with Diana? Do that to Junior? Do that to Octavia? Me a better father than you ever is. No matter how much baby mother me want off. But I come and say again, you take your brother wife. You take she just like me. So you are nasty drunko just like myself. And like come and say again, me not put nothing past you, boy. Along like you're a saint. You're drunk or just like your papa. And me I get it from boy.
Anthony, let's have some fun with me, you, and your dad. What do you say? Come on. Or do you want me to turn around and give it to you? I can take it up the butty like you guys say.
My girl, you're not ashamed. Go on boy your business no man.
Man, I know you want some of this jug. This delicious milk.
Look, I told you gone mad to Ross. I'm out of here man. Now see me again. Hey man, go on man. You think nobody why you come back home.
Big Daddy, what did you do to him? Why is he so upset?
Anthony, I go like saying more than me.
He's just a little upset. Trust me, you guys will be okay again.
In the business about him, you know. As long as me have you, me alright. Yeah, man, we just check to see if you're alright. That's what I call. More no say you good, you know. I'm gonna send you money later in the week so you can buy some grocery. I'm on a cool Monday and I don't worry about it, man. As long as you alright. Yeah, man.